Hello, this is Dilip Kanere bringing you yet another video puzzle, a simple phenomena which we will show on a video. This time I will also have some commentary to help you take a correct path. So let's have a look at it. You can perform this experiment at home as many times as you wish, but do answer our physics questions correctly. Okay, let's go ahead. What is required today? Very simple. One egg, normal egg. One ball as shown in the figure in the next slide. And of course, as usual, basic understanding, some thinking. If you don't have the ball, the kind of ball that we have shown, which is hollow inside, you can take two balls, one solid and the other one hollow, like a table tennis ball. And then we all are set. All right, let's go ahead. We are going to use egg. Observe carefully. Egg is rotating. It's momentarily stopped. Continues to rotate. We'll show it a couple of times. And in fact, you should verify it at home. You can always try. Let us see what happens with the ball. Again, observe carefully. Momentary stop, continues to rotate. Rotate, momentary stop, continues to rotate. So the ball also behaves in a very similar fashion to the egg. The ball is hollow. We assemble it and repeat the experiment. Rotate, stop. What happens? Rotate again. See a couple of times and let's conclude. It's obvious that this time the ball, moment it is stopped momentarily, does not continue to rotate. It stops. Try it again. You can do it at home. Watch. Stopped. Stopped completely. Let us have a summary. There are three parts in the video. In the first part, it continues to rotate after it is stopped. In part 2, ball continues to rotate in the same way. And in part 3, the ball behaves in a different fashion. But note that as shown, the ball is hollow. Although I have used the same ball in part 2 and 3, there is a difference. What is the difference? Infer from part 1 and 2. And of course, then you are to explain the reason for rotation after momentary stop as seen in part 1 and part 2. Now let us ask questions. There are only two questions. First, what do you infer about the difference in the internal structure of the ball in the first and the second video? And second question, why egg and the ball continues to rotate? What is the physical effect? Okay? Think and answer. मी आता जरा मराठीतनं प्रश्न विचारणार आहे. आत्तापर्यंत माझं नॅरेशन इंग्रजीत होतं, पण तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी व्हिडिओ पाहिलेला आहे. आता 2 प्रश्न. पहिला प्रश्न म्हणजे पहिल्या व्हिडिओ संबंधित. आपण बघितलं की अंड फिरत होतं, ते मी थांबवलं तर ते पुन्हा फिरायला लागलं. त्याचं फिजिक्स काय, कारण काय, हा पहिला प्रश्न. दुसरा आणि तिसऱ्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तोच बॉल एकदा फिरला थांबवल्यावर आणि एकदा नाही फिरला. ज्यावेळी तो फिरला नाही त्यावेळी तो हॉलो होता, आत काही नव्हतं. तर दुसऱ्या आणि तिसऱ्या व्हिडिओ मधल्या बॉलमध्ये काही फरक आहे का? या दोन्ही प्रश्नांची उत्तरं तुम्हाला सहज देता येतील. थोडा विचार करा आणि आम्हाला कळवा. आता आणखीन काही प्रश्न ज्याच्यावर तुम्ही घरी विचार करू शकाल. समजा इफ द इनर सरफेस ऑफ एग is made frictionless, will you see this effect? Second question, many of you must have observed this phenomenon. When you travel in a bus, it's not rotating, it's going in a straight line, and suddenly driver brakes. We all experience our movement, we suddenly go forward. Is the phenomena same as what you have observed? In essence, the physics, is it same or different? What do you think? माझी मित्रमंडळी जी 8वी 9वी 10वी या इयत्तांमध्ये आहेत त्यांनी थोडा विचार करून याच्यावर अवश्य उत्तर द्यावं, आणि त्यांच्यापेक्षा अर्थातच हायर स्टँडर्डला असतील त्यांनीही या प्रश्नांची उत्तरं द्यावीत. आवडला ना आमचा हा प्रयोग? प्रयोग आवडला असेलच. आपण पुढच्या वेळेला नक्की भेटू. सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम विथ येट अनदर ब्रेन टीजर, असाच एखादा एक्सपेरिमेंट. थँक यू.